Unlock the full potential of your Canon EOS R10 by using your favorite Canon 1600d lens. First, grab your Canon EOS R10 camera body and ensure it's powered off for safety. Next, locate your trusty Canon 1600d lens. This is an EF-EOS mount lens, meaning it's designed for cropped sensor cameras. Now, the crucial piece of the puzzle, the Canon EF-EOS R mount adapter. This adapter acts as the bridge between your EF lens and your RF mount camera. Begin by attaching your Canon 1600d lens to the EF-EOS R mount adapter. Align the red dots on both the lens and the adapter, then twist until you hear a secure click. With the lens now firmly on the adapter, align the new combined unit with the red dot on your EOS R10 body. Gently twist until it locks into place. And there you have it. Your Canon 1600d lens is now ready for action on your Canon EOS R10. You'll retain full autofocus and aperture control, but remember, EF lenses will crop your image, so keep that in mind for your shots. Enjoy extending the life of your beloved lenses and capturing amazing images.